What is a place where no man's gone before? It is an idiom which describes a place of isolation. A place where none of your traditional devices work.
Does Umgazana fit the definition of a place where no man has gone before? Communication is one of the most important requirements when visiting such a place. Many people place their trust in their cell phone, with which they keep in touch with friends and family on a daily basis. If there is a cell phone tower in the vicinity, then please realize and understand that the range of a signal from a cell phone tower for 3G and 4G is a maximum of 15 kilometers or 10 miles, while 5G has a range of less than 1 kilometer. Walkie Talkies, although extremely useful tools on this type of trip and adventure, have an even shorter range of around 5 kilometers or 3 miles, always depending on the topography and other key factors. They are basically restricted to line of sight communication and good for interpersonal communication within your group. CB radios, which used to be the rage some 20 years ago, have a range similar to that of the cell phone, namely 15 kilometers or 10 miles. Subject always to the length and type of antenna, topography, and quality of installation. Here there is, however, an option which can extend that range 3 times as far, namely an SSB CB radio. Note, however, that both parties to the conversation must be using an SSB CB radio. Provided there is air traffic operating in your general area, then an aircraft radio is currently possibly the most reliable option, although you need to acquaint yourself with the rules in your country. Here in South Africa, you need to have a radio operator's license to use it, although to my knowledge, you do not need one to actually buy it. In an emergency, I would not hesitate to use it if a life depends on the use thereof. Know your emergency frequencies, however, and how to word and to make that mayday call. I do not believe that Umgazana is a place where no man's gone before, as if you seek out high ground in the area, you will in all probability be able to make a cell phone call. Watch my free training webinar at the link provided in the description below.